Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset your Facebook Messenger PIN code. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Messenger app and direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen. You'll see a menu icon there, so go ahead and tap on it. This will open up your main navigation menu where you can access all of Messenger's important features and settings. Once the menu opens, look for the Settings option and tap on it. This is where you'll find all the customization and security options for your Messenger account, including the PIN code settings we need to access. Now, within the settings menu, scroll down until you find Privacy and Safety. Tap on this option to proceed. This section contains all the security features that help protect your messages and personal information, so it's an important area to familiarize yourself with. Next, you'll see several privacy-related options appear. Look for end-to-end encrypted chats and tap on it. This feature ensures your conversations remain private and secure, and it's where the PIN code settings are stored since the PIN helps protect your encrypted messages. After entering the encrypted chat section, find and tap on Message Storage. This option controls how your encrypted messages are stored and secured on your device, and it's also where you can manage your PIN code settings. Now you'll see the option to reset PIN. Go ahead and tap on it. This will allow you to change your current PIN to a new one, which is useful if you've forgotten your old PIN or simply want to update it for security reasons. A keypad will appear on your screen prompting you to create a new PIN. Input your new PIN code carefully. Make sure to choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. This PIN will be required whenever you access your encrypted messages. After entering your new PIN, you'll need to input it again to confirm it. This confirmation step ensures you didn't make any typos and that you'll remember the PIN you just created. Enter the exact same PIN you used in the previous step. Now wait a moment while the system processes your new PIN and applies the changes to your account. This should only take a few seconds, but it's important to let the process complete fully before closing the app or navigating away. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Facebook Messenger PIN code and your encrypted messages are now secured with your new PIN. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.